You searched how to buy shares of Nurminen Logistics Oyj, a Finnish logistics and freight forwarding company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker NLG1V.HE. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can trade. Use a platform search bar and type the ticker NLG1V.HE to find Nurminen Logistics. Make sure you select the listing on CBOE EU to locate the correct share. On the asset page, check the company profile and basic information and view the price chart. Confirm the exchange reads CBOE EU and the ticker NLG1V.HE to ensure this is the right stock. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may become a pending instruction, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio shortly after execution. Find the eToro link in the description to follow the steps shown.